In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create vector databases using Cloudflare Vectorize. Cloudflare Vectorize is a vector database service designed for AI applications that need to understand meaning instead of exact words. It works by storing embeddings, which are numerical representations of text, images, or data. When you use Vectorize, your application first converts content into embeddings using an AI model. These embeddings are then stored inside a vector index in Cloudflare. Instead of searching by keywords, Vectorize compares the meaning of these embeddings to find the most similar results. You interact with Vectorize by creating an index in your Cloudflare dashboard or through your application code. Once data is stored, your app can send a query, convert it into an embedding, and Vectorize returns the closest matches based on similarity. This makes it ideal for use cases like semantic search, recommendations, and RAG-based AI systems. With Cloudflare Vectorize, you're not just storing data, you're enabling machines to understand and search by meaning. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.